everyone, happy Diwali. This is Labina from the Friendly Neighborhood Shop. Diwali is tomorrow in Singapore, so I wanted to do a Diwali inspired makeup. I'm actually wearing a salwar kameez that I bought from Bangladesh, and the makeup tutorial that I'll be doing is for this look. And if you want to know how to get this makeup look, then please continue watching. Also guys, I have to tell you, I am one who can't do any hairstyle, so I'm only able to show you the makeup look. As for hair, leave it up to your imagination, because no matter how I've styled my hair, at the end of the day, or even before the end of the day is over, my hair ends up looking like a bird's nest because I have natural curls and I'm not a fan of your hairspray. So this is just how crazy I look every other day. Hair, please pardon the hair, but other than that, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you do like, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's get started with the makeup tutorial. All the items that I will be using are items that can be found on our online store. You can follow us. I'll drop all the links in the description box below. We are available on Facebook, Instagram, and for all my Singapore viewers, I am available on Shopee and Lazada. So for my eyes, I will be using this GUICAM'S palette. It's called Whatever. This is a dupe palette of ColourPop by the same name, Whatever. The colors are exactly the same as what you would get on a ColourPop palette, but again, GUICAM'S aim is to bring you affordable makeup at a fraction of the price that you'll be paying for a ColourPop palette. So for my eyes, this is what I'll be using. My setting powder that I'll be using is this. Yeah, so this is your GLAM color. Again, this is a China brand that I have managed to find online from China. For my lips, I will be using one of the colors from this set. They look like capsule. They come in a set of 16. This is also sourced from China. I'll be lining my lips by one of the lip liner pencil by Pudaier. Again, all these things can be found on my online store. And not forgetting this palette. This palette, I have been raving about it. This is really good. This is your contour and your highlighter and your blush. So this is how the inside looks like. I actually love it. For to just give you how my skin color is, I use, if you're going to use Fenty Beauty foundation, I am a color 220. So I am neither on the extreme light side, neither on the extreme dark side. So I have your normal, I'm a brown girl, normal skin color brown girl. So that's how it is. So that this color actually pops, whereas I don't have a sister to try out, so the only fair person I can get is my husband. So I have done a swatch on him. It looks good both on light skin and dark skin. So this is what I'll be using. So I think I've spoken a lot, and let's just get started. I've already primed my face using moisturizer. So with all that, I'm just gonna go in and put on my foundation. Before that, I will be using your Kid Von D foundation. No, sorry, not. I'll be using your Kid Von D primer to prime my face. Like most normal girls, I do have dark skin, like some patches of darkness. So I'll just use Stila One Step Color Corrector to just at the side of my lips. I think this is an issue that a lot of brown girls have. Even those who are not suffering from PCOS. I think it's PCOS. Polycystic ovarian syndrome, yeah, PCOS. Even those girls without PCOS, we just tend to get dark easily. So it doesn't show up with makeup, and also it's not something I am insecure about. Just for the sake of, doing a glam look, let's just cover up, because, even in 2020, society kind of expects us to be flawless. We can all do all the color correcting or all our covering later. Just like any other festival, say Diwali, Eid. In my case, I celebrate Chinese New Year. We don't want to wear makeup too thick that will make us look cakey. We just want to enjoy the day and have a very light look. So for that, I will not do a lot of covering up, just some light, foundation, and I'll be using beauty blenders. This beauty blender comes in a set of 8. Again, you can find this at my online store. We are also selling this in Bangladesh. So for all my Bangladeshi viewers, you are able to order this from us on our Facebook page or Instagram page. This comes in 4 different colors. Before I use beauty blenders or sponges, Okay, the texture is this. It's neither too soft, neither too hard. It is just the right amount of bounciness, which I think is good, and also teardrop with a flat surface. I do like to use a bit of setting spray. Just spray a bit, and again, as I said, I am not going to be using too much product on my face. I'll just go in with a bit and then start. I am done with applying the foundation. The base has gone well, and yeah, I do have a dark pigmentation here that I will be using a concealer to cover up. Foundation is done, and I am just gonna go straight into the eye. I will try to match like red and a bit of gold. A bit of goldish, golden-ish kind of look. I am going to use the base color Copycat. Oops, see here, this is Copycat because I picked up. This is going to be my base color. I forgot to mention, I thought I was recording, but before I started on my eyeshadow, I actually primed my eyes with this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. Here, this one, actually you don't have to use so much of the product. A tiny amount goes a long way, and it comes in a brush. This is slight dab actually goes a long way, and this is perfect when you want no crease. You're going to be using bright colors and you need the makeup to last for the whole day. Could be anywhere between 7 to 12 hours, because you're Diwali, you don't want to worry about your makeup, you just want to enjoy time with family and friends, especially this year because all our celebrations has been so different. Thanks to COVID-19, we can't have the usual gathering, we can't have our 100 family members all in one place. So because of this, you don't want to think about your makeup so much, you just want to have fun. You want to dazzle, but yet at the same time you just want the natural glow. With Fenty Beauty foundation, I realized that you do have that natural kind of glow. You don't need to whack a lot of highlighter and stop traffic on the road, but you're more than welcome to do that. But anyhow, before I actually applied Copycat, I used the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. Colors coming up pretty fine and nice, and so far I do like what I see. Done with my base color, then I'll be moving on to darken the side. Try to go in with a darker shade, and I'm actually contemplating between Bad Guy or Miss Brightside. So this is Bad Guy, this is Miss Brightside. Since the color on my sleeve is kind of reddish brownish, there's two different tones actually, it's thread work. I think I'll go for Miss Brightside. Let's go in there. The brush I'm using, it's a little angle brush, just so I can get the nice V shape at the side. Taught myself how to apply makeup, so I'm actually no makeup artist. And if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would have more content similar to this. I would actually share with you reviews or review the products that I sell online. I mean, if I don't even know how the quality is and if it's bad, it's meaningless to be selling it. So I would actually try it out myself. Brush lines can be blended out later on, so let's just get the color to the right shade or the right consistency. I would like to go even darker. All this can be corrected later, and then I will take a blending brush, a fluffy head brush. I'm just going to fluff it all out. I'm going to take another fluffy brush and I will go back to Copycat. I'm just going to blend out at the top. Now I'll take Copycat, go underneath my eye. I didn't take any extra product, I just am going with what I have. I'm going to take Hardy. Hardy has tiny sparkles. It's not exactly as glittery as Dar. I mean, you can see Dar is pretty glittery, whereas for Hardy, it's just going to pop up. Take this tiny tapered brush, going to put it at the corner of my eye so my eye opens up. And there you go, how glowy it is. I am liking what I see. I just took a tiniest amount underneath on my lower eyelash. I feel this really ties up the look. I will move on to mine, and I just want to dab here a bit. The one that I'm going on is with the MAC Select Cover Up, and this is the shade NW25. I'll just take a little bit. I'll take this tiny brush, dab a bit, and then take the beauty blender, blend it up. Just applied a bit of concealer under my eye and the T-zone that I have. The setting powder, I'm going to apply setting powder on the areas that I put concealer and then let it set for us. So, you know, the shine does not show up throughout the day. This is not exactly the best baking. I'm just gonna let that set in for 3 to 4 minutes. Now move on to your eyebrows. But I am really bad at doing my eyebrows on camera, so let me just go off camera and get my eyebrows done. Eyebrows done. And I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and dust off setting powder. And next thing I will be doing is blusher and highlight. You can find this blusher on my online shop, and I can't stop raving about this. This is really good. It's affordable, guys. All my product, what I want to do is I want to bring you quality products that are good yet affordable. Because like you, I've spent way too much on makeup, and for everyday use, it's not practical for every normal people like us to purchase top-notch makeup for everyday use. So I want to bring affordable makeup. So this is something that I can't rave enough about. Even if it's just 4 colors, it works both on light skin and dark skin. I'll take this brush, go into the apple of my cheeks. I have a tendency of always over applying blush. So it's just, you know, better to build up. Blusher done, and I'm going to highlight. This is a brush set you can find on my online store. Again, affordable brushes. I am not one who spends a lot on makeup brushes. So this is my, you know, highlighter brush. This is the shade that I'm gonna go for, this highlighter. It's called Cactus. So just take a bit here. This is beautiful and able to stop traffic. Highlight the top of your Cupid's bow, and your lipstick will look really nice. So I usually do that because my lower lip is not something that I really like. So I'm done with that. The lipstick that I'll be using, it's again from China. I'm selling this in my online store. It comes in a set of 16 and it's so pretty. Look, they look like they're vitamins. Then the color that I've chosen is this, the brown color pale, and it's almost like a berry color. To line my lip, I'll use this lip liner pencil. This is by Pudaier. I'm selling this in a set of 12. So 16 lipstick, 12 lip liner. There's a shade that's gonna match every single thing. Because the color is berry, so I decided to stay with this purpley color. It doesn't have a name, but it says number 3. So this is the 3rd color from a set of 12. So let's just go ahead and line my lip. I usually draw a ribbon at my Cupid's bow because I don't have symmetrical lips, and I realized that over the years, you know, when I dip it with color, that's the shape I want to get because I like the shape of my upper lip, not so much my lower lip. Love this eyeliner from Korea. It's called Heroine Make. Yeah, this is from Korea. Eyeliner done. I'm going to use a mascara by Maybelline. This is your Maybelline mascara, which is waterproof. I don't use false eyelashes. I can't. I am really bad, and also it makes me feel so uncomfortable. Alright guys, so my look is pretty much, it's done. Hope you like it, and if you want to get the items that I've used to do this makeup look, you can check out my shop. We are available on Facebook Marketplace, Shopee, Lazada. This is for customers who are in Singapore or viewers who wants to buy from Singapore. And if you're not in Singapore, right now we are only shipping to Bangladesh. So for that, you can make your placement, your order placement via our Facebook page or our Instagram page. Thank you.